I'll say Shalom, garden family. I'm back again, and this time it's raining. It's raining, and what I wanted to do was I wanted to come out into this little garden bed right here and add some more spinach to it because, let me show you. The spinach is coming up, but in the empty spots, like, okay, so let me show you. We got, oops, my bad. We got one spinach here. We got one spinach here. And I got another spinach coming up right there. But in the meantime, in between time, I'm going to add some more. Let me get all these out. It's raining again in San Diego. Zone 10A. And again, everything is just looking mighty, mighty fine right here. I'm going to try to see if I can sit you somewhere where you can see something pretty as I do this. But let me see. Maybe you can get a look at. Oh. Can't do it. Anyway, look at some soil while I do this. So I'm going to put another seed here, another seed here, another seed here, another seed here. Basically in between all the, let me see if I can show you. See, I'm going to put a seed here, a seed here, a seed there. You know, just so that, remember I told you I wanted to do some succession gardening? So the succession rate on this particular one is not going to be that far away, obviously, because I started these on February the 22nd. Or was it the 21st? The 21st. And now it's March the 14th. So it's succession by not that many days, not quite a month. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drop another spinach in here. And this is a different variety of spinach. But it's funny because they all start off looking the same. Spinach has a strange way of looking. And at first I wasn't really fond of how they look. But then I said, you know what? Get over it. You know? Get over that nonsense. And I think I just dropped the seed. And I want to show you I have a couple of volunteers outside my gate. And I'm going to be honest with you. I don't know how they got there. But all the same, there's some mint that's there as well, and I don't know how it got there either, so let's go look. Okay, so right outside this gate right here, on the ground, I have lots of mint that's growing up on the side of the house, right? And so yesterday I noticed that I also have some red giant mustards. Now those are definitely volunteers, simply because I did not plant any I did not plant any red giant mustards on the side of the house like this. So, you know how those birds can be. They must have picked up a seed and dropped it, but then how would they drop it this flush up against the house? Nature is amazing. Back to the spinach. Now my goal here is to come and do the same thing with everything else I planted. So when the chard starts to come up really good, like right here, I can see I can put some chard here, and I can put one here. There's the other one right there. I can put one right here, and I'm expecting another one right there. And then I can put one right here because I have one there, and then I can stick another one here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll be adding more chard seeds there. Although something doesn't seem right here, to be honest with you. Because if you look at this plant here, this is supposed to be chard. And this is this is looking more, this is the jalapeno line. So what is this? What is that? The chard? Well, if that's chard, then what is this? I don't know. Must have dropped something. Again, it's amazing how we can do that. But as far as the mustards go, they're out very nicely. So we can drop a hole here, a hole here, a hole here, a hole here, a hole here. And it's raining pretty hard now, so I'm just going to come back and put some seeds in there. But everything is looking good, like I showed you before, or as I put in another video. And again, I have some volunteers here. I have to call them volunteers because I don't remember what they are, but they're looking like, I don't know what they're looking like, but remember to always do your best. Be blessed. And I also put some sage seeds in here to grow with the sage that's been here. So, okay, remember to always do your best. Be blessed and try to grow something, even in the rain. All praises.